Good morning to all of you. Welcome to my National Constitution Day speech in respect of legal matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Friends, we are very happy to note that we are celebrating 74th National Constitution Day, Samvidhan Divas, లేక రాజ్యాంగ దినోత్సవము. డాక్టర్ బాబాసాహెబ్ అంబేద్కర్ గారి సారథ్యంలో కాన్స్టిట్యూంట్ అసెంబ్లీ ఫామ్ అయ్యి మరి వారు దేశంలో ప్రపంచంలోకెల్లా అతి పెద్ద రిటన్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ తయారు చేశారు. అదే భారత రాజ్యాంగం. ఇట్ వాజ్ అప్రూవ్డ్ ఆన్ 1949 November 26th. And later, after 2 months, it has come into force. In these 2 months, the pains of translating the same from English to Hindi and some other steps have taken up. Ultimately, India was declared as a republic on 1950 January 26th. Since it was approved on November 26th of 1949, from that day onwards, we are celebrating it as the Constitution Day. Actually, right from 2015 itself, it has got prominence because Narendra Modi ji, on the birth anniversary of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, he stated that from here afterwards, every November 26th will be celebrated as Constitution Day. So from that time onwards, everybody is celebrating. You know, even in our district also, the collector, Shri Dinesh Kumar, he has given orders to all the government officers, they should read the preamble of the Constitution at 11 a.m. today. Right? So please remember, the purpose of celebrating the Constitution Day is, please remember, to teach or to impart the citizens about the values of the Constitution, constitutional spirit. This every public should know. No doubt, there is no point in saying that they do not know the Constitution. Even without knowing the Constitution, they are enjoying the benefits of the Constitution. So nowadays, we are going to some eatery house and we are taking lunch. Previously, it was not possible. If you want to go to Andamans, you are freely going by purchasing ticket. But previously, it was not the case. Everywhere there were restrictions. Only after the Constitution has come into force, now you are enjoying the so-called fundamental freedoms. Right. So, as far as our Constitution is concerned, you all know that it is the largest written Constitution. And the Constituent Assembly prepared it. It has taken time of 2 years, 8 months, 11 days to complete the same. They have sit over 199 times for discussion. And in this connection, 284 members, they have signed the Constitution. Out of them, one is Sri Vishnu Kesharao from Ongole, who worked twice as a Rajya Sabha member. He has signed on the Constitution. This you have to know. All of you think that B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the father of the Indian Constitution. You know the base? The base is Government of India Act 1935. So, now 26th by 11, that is November 26th, is called as National Constitution Day, National Law Day, Samvidhan Divas. So the aim is to create awareness among the citizens to propagate the constitutional values. Right. Please remember, Constitution. Yesterday, Honorable Chief Justice of India, Sri D.Y. Chandrachud, while addressing the Supreme Court Bar Association on the eve of the National Constitution Day, he said that don't be under the impression that the Constitution is a legal document. It is a holy document. It is a holy book. And it is further added that the Constitution is a living document. No doubt, it has taken 3 years for us after independence for preparing the Constitution. But you know, our neighboring country, Pakistan, they have taken 9 years to frame their own Constitution. And we boast that ours is the largest written Constitution. Please remember. So, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, we have to remember the stalwarts like Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, then Gopal Swami, and so many people, Sucheta Kripalani, Gopal Krishna, all these persons are there. So, and as far as the preamble is concerned, definitely on this day, you have to read the preamble. The preamble, all of you know, you have to read it, you have to know it also. So, it starts with, we, the people of India, we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, secular, socialist and democratic state, and to secure all its citizens. What justice? What type of justice? Justice is social, economic and political justice. Liberty of thought, liberty of expression, liberty of belief, liberty of faith. And equality of opportunity, equality of status. And to promote among all of them the fraternity, brotherhood, by assuring the dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. This is the preamble. Of course, if you read, it will be correctly analyzed, but of course, as I am telling, there may be some mistakes also, the continuation may not be there. But the preamble is a part of the Constitution. At the same time, Constitution, it has got the holy spirit of legal positivism. It has taken a positivist view. You know, constitutional law is the mother of all laws. So therefore, definitely they will take the positive view. They have taken the positive view. You see, while amending, before the first amendment of the Constitution of India, a lot of discussions, right from Shankari Prasad, I.C. Golaknath, Sajjan Singh, and ultimately the end card was given in the Keshavananda Bharati case, where the Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court of India, stated that the Parliament has got authority to amend the Constitution, but not the basic structure. And they have highlighted, they have given, so you know that if any fundamental rights are violated, you have got a fundamental right to go to the court. That is Article 32. It has actually, the Constitution is serving the fundamental rights in a definitely more way. You know, so Maneka Gandhi case, where right to ask, right to know is a fundamental right. Hussain Ara Khatun, you can't keep prisoners in so many years. Sarla Mudgal, M.H. Hoskote, and ultimately the passive euthanasia case in Arunachal Bagh. So many judgments were given uprighting, giving right to the fundamental freedoms or fundamental rights, right to life, right to liberty. So all these things are there. But please remember, not only the rights. The Constitution, Article 51A, gives the duties also. It narrates the duties also. So don't be just satisfied with the rights. Then what about the duties? Yes, you have to have the duty. You have to respect the national flag. You have to respect the national anthem. You have to sing the national anthem. You have to have the scientific temper. You have to so-called protect the environment. All these duties are there. So the Constitution tells you not only your duties, but also not only your rights, but also your duties. So what I advise all of you, please have a constitutional spirit. Please protect the rule values of the Constitution by observing the Constitution. No doubt it may not be in letter and spirit, at least now and then. Please read the preamble. Not entire 395 sections in the Constitution, 395 articles of the Constitution, or the so-called 12 schedules, not necessary. If you read the preamble, itself is sufficient. But try to read it just like Bhagavad Gita and try to understand the Constitution, constitutional ethos, constitutional values, constitutional morality. Then only you will become very good lawyers, very good citizens, and serve the nation with a sense of the so-called constitutional spirit. So with this, I am concluding. So have a happy Constitution Day or National Day. Thank you, National Law Day. Thank you very much.